In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add a new deal to your Pipedrive CRM using a step-by-step guide. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Pipedrive homepage. Open your web browser and type in the URL or click on your bookmark if you have it saved. Once the homepage is loaded, you should be looking at your dashboard, which is the command center for managing your sales pipeline. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. What you want to do is click on Deals. This will take you to the section where you can see a list of all your current deals, their statuses, and details. It's a pretty comprehensive view to assess where each deal stands in the pipeline. Next, we want to focus on adding a new deal. Look towards the top of the Deals page and you'll find a button labeled Add Deal. Give that a click. This action opens a new window or a form ready for some input details. This form is essentially where you will provide all the necessary information about the new deal you intend to add. The first piece of information you need to enter is the name of the contact person. Imagine you're inputting the information of someone you've recently connected with, maybe at a networking event or through an online meeting. Type their name into the contact field. Ensuring accuracy here is crucial as this helps in organizing and effectively following up with potential clients. Once you have the contact's name entered, the next field requires you to type in the name of the organization they are associated with. This could be the company or business they work for. Entering the correct organization not only helps with tracking, but also makes sure you have comprehensive records for any business dealings associated with that contact. After you've filled in these key pieces of information, the contact person's name and their organization, it's time to save the new deal you've created. You'll see a Save button, likely at the bottom or somewhere conspicuous within the form. Click on this button to finalize the addition of your new deal to the pipeline. Remember, saving is a critical step because it ensures that all the information you just entered is stored correctly in your Pipedrive system. It's always a good idea to double check with a quick scan over the data before you save, just to capture any potential errors or typos. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new deal to your Pipedrive CRM. This method is simple yet an essential part of managing your sales efficiently. Make sure to regularly update and review your pipeline to keep your CRM data as actionable and accurate as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for streamlining your sales process using Pipedrive.